Well, good afternoon, everybody. How y'all doing? Pretty good here, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to do a little radio screen mod. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change the startup display image on my radio screen in the Tacoma. And all you really need to do this are some images, obviously, and I'll tell you more about those here after I show you how to do it, and a floppy drive. How about a flash drive or a thumb drive? So the first thing that we're going to do, I'm going to go ahead and put the truck in accessory mode. And to do that, all you have to have is the key in your pocket, keep your foot off the brake, and hit the button a couple of times. Actually, one time. One time will do it. And then I'll let the radio finish doing its craziness. What we want to be here is we want to be in the apps mode. Like you can see right there. And we want to hit Setup, General, and then scroll down to where you get Customize Startup Image. You can see right here. Go ahead and touch that. And then you want to take your flash drive and put it in the slot here, marked like so. You guys can see here. So we're going to go ahead and insert that in. Like that, and you can see it started flashing there maybe. There you go. And then go back up here and click transfer, and then where it says images will be copied, go ahead and click yes. It's copying them right now, as you can see. Doesn't take too long. And there are the three images that I had saved. You guys can see there to that flash drive. So all I have to do then is touch one of those images. So I need to pick one. Let's go with image 2, and then click OK, and it's updating the image on the radio, and that's it. It's done. So now to test it out, we're going to go ahead and start the truck. So let's go ahead and put our foot on the brake and hit that engine start button and watch the screen. Of course, you get that. And there it is. There was the image that I uploaded. Of course, you get all the other gobbledygook that comes up on the screen default. Now, there is one other thing that I want to see. When you start the truck, you also get an image, or rather, when you turn it off, you get an image here in the middle. Let's see what we have right now. Actually, we have to restart it to see that, so let's see what we get. There you have the Toyota Tacoma truck there. That did not change, obviously, so that remains on the console there, where the speedometer and RPM gauge and all that stuff, the gauge cluster, let's call it. So that's how you change the startup image on your screen. Now, what do you have to do that? Well, you need a JPEG, and the file has to be labeled as a .jpeg. So it can't be just .jpg, it's got to be .jpeg for a JPEG. Also, a good size to use for this, 885 by 530 seems to work pretty good. You can see the size of it on the screen that I had come up there, so that works pretty well. And on your thumb drive, you need to create a folder to put the image or images in, and that folder needs to be labeled as startup image, all run together, and that folder title has to have a capital S and a capital I for startup and image in its name. So it should say startup with a capital S and a capital I. So once you create those pictures, those files, those JPEGs, you should be able to just bring it out and do exactly what I just did. It's really that simple, and kind of lets you customize the truck a little bit as well. So anyway, I think it's a pretty cool little mod, very simple. Obviously, if you've got a flash drive laying around, doesn't really cost you anything to do. As usual, appreciate you guys watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know if you guys ever change these things yourself. And don't forget to click that subscribe button. We'll see you next time on the web. Have a good day. Bye.